There's only one more thing to do. Strip it open. It's already been open a little bit. By a little bit, I mean a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here's the note. The note. Congratulations, Camden. Thank you so very much for participating in the contest. We hope you enjoy all these goodies because we love them. Have a sweet day. Sweet Hollywood. And here is the backpack. Okay, I got Hello Kitty. Real good. And a solid gold notepad. An M&M hat. Oh, great during winter. I can get lollipops if I want. Lollipop. Yo, Gabba, woo! Okay, got a couple cups. Here's some shot cups. A big giant mug. The Wizard of Oz. It says Magnites. Here's Stay Puffs. I didn't yet. Starburst. New flavors. And here are my favorite. The Laffy Taffy earbuds. Mwah. Wow. The Wonka bars. Whipped, scrumptious fudge mallow delight bar. And this one is peanut butter and jam bar. Oh, the Wonka sensation! Ooh, I got 2 bags of these, but they're different types. I wonder what they taste like. Ooh, freshness. Skeleton marshmallow. Mega bruiser. Whoa, that's pretty big. It's heavy too. Pretty heavy. Mega bruiser. It's a jawbreaker. Jawbreaker. Break your jaws. These are. Whoa. Whoa. Did not see these. Wyland, sweet and nutty. Nutty. Yeah, nutty. It's nutty, I tell you. There's 2 packs, but they're both together. There's another pencil. Another pencil. They're both pink. Woot. What is this? What is this? It's shaped like a heart. Is it lipstick? Yep, it's lipstick. I got lipstick. Wait, Mom, can I wear lipstick? No? Okay. I'm wearing it anyway. Cocoa, Lucy's favorite chocolate truffle. Cocoa mix. Natural. Ooh. Original Spree by Wonka. And this is the last thing, but there's tons of wrappers in here. Marriage Premium Chocolates. Lemon Blueberry Shortbread. These sound good. But that's my candy. It was great sharing with you. Awesome. That's my candy. Bye. Eat more bacon. Bye.